AGP's purpose is to contribute to a cleaner, safer, and more enjoyable world for current and future generations. To achieve this, AGP is committed to enabling the future of mobility through high-tech glazing solutions and our unique culture. AGP is on its way to becoming the partner of choice for companies that are leading the transition to sustainable mobility, a new generation of transportation, electric and autonomous vehicles. Sustainability is, therefore, part of our business goals, our actions and our growth, present and future. For us at AGP, this journey has only just begun. In the automotive industry and for AGP, sustainability means manufacturing our products with a minimal or non-negative impact on the environment and society, increasing positive results with high-quality products and technology. In this way, we contribute to creating a cleaner, safer, and more enjoyable world for current and future generations.